Halo guys, selamat datang di channel saya. Kali ini saya akan berbagi tutorial membuat vektor mata simpel. Disimak baik-baik ya guys. Pertama-tama kita siapkan bahan yang akan dibuat vektor. Klik gambar lalu cari gambar yang akan dibuat. Setelah ketemu, klik jiplak, tambahkan beberapa layer, lalu naikkan opacity-nya menjadi 100%. Klik di atas, lalu klik pen, klik logo paste, lalu klik lasso. Warna dasar yang saya gunakan ialah warna hitam. Lalu langsung saja kita eksekusi. Pertama-tama saya mulai dari alisnya hehe. Saya sedikit percepat agar tidak memakan banyak waktu. Setelah selesai, lanjutkan tahap gradasi. Klik atas lalu klik gradient. Yang warna putih diubah opacity-nya menjadi 0%. Setelah itu lanjutkan gradasi alisnya. Lalu lanjut untuk mendapatkan tekstur alisnya. Langkahnya sama dengan yang tadi dibuat. Saya percepat ya Jin.
They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Setelah selesai, lihat hasilnya. Setelah itu lanjutkan pembuatan matanya. Langkahnya sama dengan yang tadi. Setelah selesai, lanjut ke pembuatan bola matanya. Klik layer kedua untuk bola matanya. Buat garis di dalam lainnya.
Stand up, I wanna see your face. Get your chin up like you belong in this place. We gon' train like you've never trained before.
Setelah selesai, lanjutkan klik atas lalu klik lingkaran.
ain't no reset button or an off
Klik
switch.
atas
You
lagi
gotta face
dan
your fears.
klik
You gotta scratch
pindah.
the itch. You gotta break through the walls and
Klik
get
atas
after
lagi
it.
dan
Only
klik
time will tell
segmen.
who's gonna make it.
Segmen
I
bagian
promise
yang
you, I'ma
tidak
be the one who's gonna
diperlukan.
take it. I fight, I
Lakukan
provide,
hal yang
leaving
sama
blood on the pavement.
di
If you're
mata
up against
sebelumnya.
me, then you better be praying, 'cause I'll keep punching till my knuckles start breaking.
Setelah selesai,
I'll keep
lanjutkan
going through the blood that I'm
pembuatan
tasting.
warna
I won't
matanya.
stop till they all
Pilih
see
warna yang
greatness. The
kalian
battle for my
sukai.
world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win and who will fail. Villains and heroes,
Bulatkan, pindahkan, dan segmen bagian yang tidak diperlukan. Lakukan hal yang sama di mata sebelahnya. Setelah selesai, lanjutkan gradasinya. Klik atas klik gradien. Ubah warnanya. Sesuaikan dengan warna matanya. Klik gradien lagi, lalu copy warnanya. Lalu gradien lagi matanya.
I won't stop till they've all seen greatness. The battle for my world just started, I've been waiting. Villains and heroes, only time will tell.
Setelah selesai, lanjut teksturnya supaya terlihat lebih menarik. Klik atas lalu klik band.
Heroes, no, there ain't no one else. Pick a side or by yourself. Today is the day, don't waste any time, know it's time to make a change. Up in your mind, rearrange, start thinking you're the hero headed out on your way. There's gonna be good times and bad times, that's alright, just stay on the line. Cause in life we all got a different mission, but the good guy
Setelah
always
itu,
wins,
gradien
that's a
lagi.
given. If you stay committed, you stay driven, you'll be looking down the barrel of completing your mission. Ignition, like a
Lakukan
flame,
hal
get
yang
the fire
sama.
and you listen, take these words deep, cause this is real, ain't no fiction. You don't need drugs, help any
Setelah
prescription, just
selesai,
persistence and
lanjutkan
energy can win any
seperti yang
competition.
saya lakukan.
So keep fighting, facing any opposition, and be the hero in a story you yourself have written. Villains and heroes, only time will tell who will win.
Setelah itu, berikan trailer bunyi nyamannya.
Villains and heroes, no, there ain't no one else. Pick a side or by yourself. Hands wrapped, knuckles taped black. Pick my gloves up off the mat. Fighting's all I ever had. Wasn't born with tons of gifts. Had to work hard as a kid. Know that everything I did was to catch the other kids. Slowly
Setelah
built that
selesai, kita
self-esteem. Turn myself
lanjut
to a
ke
machine.
pembuatan.
I'd compete till I'd
Bagian
be
putih
seen.
matanya.
I would lose
Pilih
and I'd
warnanya.
succeed. But you'd never see me quit. I'd always get after it. Knew I had a different gift. I'd outwork any other kid. Deep within our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny, she tempts me. Tells me there's two paths, they both have a different ending. Choose wise and you'll find that pain leads to ascending. Till I'm dead and buried.
Setelah selesai, lanjutkan gradasinya. Di sini saya menggunakan warna hitam.
Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery. I will fight, never weary. I wanna be legendary.
Segmen dan gradien warnanya.
I wanna be legendary.
Setelah itu lanjut hal sama seperti yang saya lakukan.
Take it from me cause I got to this place where no one can tell me to do anything. I call my own shots, I call my own place. I enjoy my life almost every day, and I could teach you if you listen to me. You follow some rules, don't need gifts to be paid. Persistence is better than brains any day. Just listen to me and I'll show you the way. When our souls, we can feel there's something empty. We need something more. I feel destiny, she tempts me, tells me there's two paths, they both have a different ending. Choose wise and you'll find that pain leads to ascending. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary. Till I'm dead and buried deep within a cemetery, I will fight, never weary, I wanna be legendary.
Selesai sudah sedikit tutorial yang saya berikan. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kalian yang baru belajar vektor art.